I am on now, Mama. Okay, my mermaid. How does my mermaid jump into the water?
Good. Oh, Fisher. Fisher. Fisher.
Come here, Fraser.
Shoot, shoot. Shoot. Shoot.
Go ahead, boo. You are a little mermaid.
Yay.
Go ahead, go swim. I'm gonna put this all on video, baby.
Yeah.
Love that girl. I always said she was a fish in the water, and look, she's a fish. Half fish, half human. Hi, beautiful.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
How's your tail?
Fun.
Yeah? You having fun?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, are you?
What?
Cool. Joanne wants to know if we were swimming. Yeah, of course. Cool.
What?
Have fun. Thank you.
My tail is sparkly.
Anything you want to say?
I love this tail.
Cool. Okay, say bye to the camera. Not yet? What are you going to do?
Bye.
Say bye, camera. Flip. Okay, do one length of the pool for me.
Huh?
Swim one length of the pool so I can get the whole thing on camera. Good job, Mama.
Sparkly.
Glad you like it. Bye.